Welcome back. In this video, we're going to go over PDF generation. I'm currently in the Inhouz Cloud console, logged in, of course. On this platform, there are two ways you can generate PDF documents. You can generate PDF documents on the browser, or you can generate them programmatically on the server. If we jump into an application built on the Inhouz Cloud platform, one of our customers, you can see an invoice. And when we click the Generate PDF button, it takes a second, but a PDF document is generated. Now, this PDF generation is happening on the browser. If we just switch to the next tab, you can see our application and you can see the exact PDF that we just created. Now, these two are the exact same because this is the dev environment and the app builder runs in the dev environment. Now, this generates PDF button is running a function called print function. This function internally is running a step called generates browser PDF. And here we're using a library called jspdf-html to canvas library. Now, if you know anything about this library, you can look it up. It basically takes a snapshot of your web page and then converts that to a PDF document. And we give you all the configurations that enables you to generate a document, like the file name, the format, the snapshot type. Are we doing multiple pages? The quality. So you can pretty much configure this using all the APIs available in our generate browser PDF, HTML to PDF library. Now, there is a downside to just generating PDF documents in the browser. What if someone is using a mobile device? This generation method relies solely on the browser, of course, and the viewport. Now, if a user is trying to generate this document from their mobile device, it's going to be distorted. What if you wanted to generate PDF documents remotely or through an automation or from an API? So to do this, we're going to have to use the PDF generator module. If I can slide another tab in and we jump into the PDF generator module, we can see that this is a module where you configure your templates and then you programmatically trigger them using the generate server PDF function or function step. Now we pass in our template ID and we pass in the data that is going to be used within our document to generate the document. So it's quite simple. If we can jump into a document, as you can see here, we have a placeholder text. This text is mapped to a dynamic text mapped to our app data to a field called message. Right here you can see that we do have a message. I simply just put here the placeholder text. You don't have to put anything there. You just have to make sure that whatever you have that you want to be part of your PDF generation is properly configured. And here I just replaced the message field in our app data with create day. And if we go back in here and look at our generated documents in the development environments, if we open it up, you can see that we have indeed generated a document called Great Day. And this is in the development environment, so it is watermarked with the draft/sample documents symbol. So this is a quick introduction. Like I said before, on this platform, you can generate PDF documents two ways, on the browser and on the server programmatically. Generating PDFs on the browser is always free because on Inhouz Cloud, we never charge for browser compute. Generating PDF documents on the server for the use cases such as generating PDFs on mobile devices, programmatically generating PDF documents, and so on and so forth. We do have PDF generator module, which comes with the ability to configure data-driven templates and then have your PDF documents generated, using a programmatic function. All right, that's it for this video, a quick introduction. In the next videos, we're going to dive into these concepts in some detail. Thank you for watching.